how to set the phone alert to sound, vibrate, or mute on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on sounds and vibration. Next, in here, you can choose sound, vibrate, or mute. So select one of the options. Now you can also quickly swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. At the top here, you can tap on the sound button. This will allow you to quickly mute the sound, turn it on or turn it off. So here we can switch it on. We can switch it off and have vibration turn on. This one will be mute completely. And that's it. So those are the 3 different states that you can change. So here if I go into settings, you can see it go to mute. Then go to sound. Then that goes to vibrate. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.